What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Lost Soul Aside on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and quickly search up the game Lost Soul Aside. Select the game, after that scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is very expensive on Steam. But don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. So now search up the same game Lost Soul Aside, and after that select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, you need to look for a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green, and after that select it. Now if you select the game, you will find out that this game is already available for just €54.06 compared to the price on Steam of €69.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you can do is purchase this game through this website and you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!